Hi, Chloe. How are you today?
Hi, Liam. I'm great, thanks. You?
I'm good. Ready for coffee?
Yes, coffee is good. About our trip?
Right, weekend trip. Any ideas?
I'm thinking beach or mountains.
Good question. Both sound fun.
What do you prefer for a short trip?
Let's think about activities first.
How about the beach? We could swim.
Swim, relax, maybe build sandcastles.
Yes, and eat fresh seafood.
Sounds very relaxing. I like that.
We could also watch the sunset.
Or we could go to the mountains.
Mountains, what would we do there?
We could hike, see nature, have a picnic,
A picnic sounds nice. Fresh air.
and maybe see some beautiful views.
That's also a good option, Liam.
Beach is sunny, good for swimming.
Yes, but mountains are quiet. Good for hiking.
Beach can be crowded, mountains are peaceful.
True, but mountains can be cold.
Beach is easier to get to.
Maybe. Mountains offer great views.
Both sound fun, actually.
Yes, hard to choose.
So, beach or mountains this weekend?
I think the beach sounds better now.
Me too. I need some sun.
Great, beach it is for us.
Perfect. Let's plan beach activities.
Yes, what should we do there?
First, we can swim in the ocean.
Definitely, and relax on the sand.
We can build a sandcastle too.
Haha, yes, and maybe play volleyball.
Good idea. Or just read books.
Sounds like a perfect relaxing weekend.
For mountains, we could hike trails.
Yes, and have a picnic with a view.
Maybe see some wildlife like bird.
That would be nice for another time.
Exactly. Mountains are for next trip.
Agreed. Beach first, then mountains.
How do we get there?
We can drive my car.
Good idea. Or take a bus.
Car is faster and easier.
Yes, let's use your car.
Where should we stay?
A small hotel near the beach?
Or a cozy guest house?
A guest house sounds nice. Cheaper too.
Okay, let's find a guest house.
What about food and drinks?
We can pack some snacks.
And eat at local restaurants?
Yes, for dinner and breakfast too.
Sounds delicious. I'm hungry now.
What should we pack?
Swimsuit, towel, sunscreen.
And comfortable shoes for walking.
Don't forget sunglasses and a hat.
Right, and a good book.
So beach trip is set?
Yes, beach it is. I'm excited.
Great, I will book the hotel.
And I will check bus tickets.
Perfect. We meet next week?
Yes, to finalize everything.
Sounds good. See you then.
Okay, I need to go now.
Me too. Thanks for meeting.
It was fun planning this.
Yes. See you next week.
Bye, Liam. Have a good day.
Bye, Chloe. You too. So long.